Hey there. Are you getting distracted by that pesky soundbar that keeps popping up while you're trying to enjoy your mobile gaming experience? Don't worry. In this guide, we're going to dive into how to fix soundbar appearing while playing games on your phone. We'll cover some tried and true methods to help you get back to a seamless gaming session. Step 1. Check for software update. The first thing you'll want to do is check if your phone is up to date. Software updates often fix bugs and glitches that cause unwanted issues like the soundbar appearing during gameplay. Update your device. Go to your phone's settings, navigate to System or About Phone, and select Software Updates. Make sure you download and install any pending updates. Update your game apps. Visit the App Store and check for updates for your games. Developers regularly push updates to improve performance and fix in-app issues. Step 2. Adjust notification setting. Notifications can often be the culprit behind the intrusive soundbar. To minimize distractions, tweak your notification setting. Do Not Disturb mode. Enable Do Not Disturb mode on your device while gaming. This setting disables most notifications temporarily, preventing the soundbar from appearing. App-specific setting. Dive into the notification settings of specific apps and customize them to reduce interruptions during gameplay. Step 3. Tweak sound settings. Sometimes the issue could be stemming from sound settings in your device. Disable sound feedback. Head over to Sounds and Vibration settings and look for options like touch sounds or system sounds. Disabling these can sometimes prevent the soundbar from showing up. Gaming mode. Some phones have a dedicated gaming mode that optimizes performance and disables distractions. Enable this feature to enhance your gaming experience. Step 4. Manage third-party apps. Third-party apps running in the background might also lead to the unwanted soundbar appearance. Close background apps. Open the app switcher on your phone and close any unnecessary apps running in the background. Uninstall problematic apps. If you recently installed an app and noticed the problem started soon after, consider uninstalling it to see if the issue resolved. Step 5. Reset or reboot your device. If you've tried everything else and are still facing issues, a simple device reset or reboot might do the trick. Restart your phone. Sometimes all your device needs is a good restart to refresh its system processes. Factory reset. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Ensure you back up your data before doing this, as it will erase all your personal data and restore your phone to default setting. By following these steps, you can fix the soundbar appearing while playing games on your phone and enhance your mobile gaming experience. Whether updating software or adjusting sound settings, a few tweaks can make all the difference. Remember that staying updated and optimizing your device settings can prevent many common issues. Now go ahead and dive back into your immersive gaming world without distractions, and may your gaming achievements reach new heights. Happy gaming.